Alright, this is kind of a different video, but since the year is over, I decided to try something new and do a voiceover. So, alright, the video. So I'll be breaking down each step that I use to make the beat, starting off with the tempo, the key signature, then the melody, then the drums. First off, the tempo, we got it at 160, and then I got the key signature in D minor. And alright, let's start off with the melody. So most of Polo G's songs are really emotional and heartfelt, so and they're also made up of piano usually. So I'm using the classical grand for this, for two of the stems, and then I separated the chords and counter melody. So here are the chords. Okay, now here's the main melody along with the chords. They're also piano. So to make the piano sound a little more real, I added another note behind the other, and then I just adjusted the velocity a little. It kind of gives off the effect of an actual piano, which is what I'm going for. Also, most of the notes are high-pitched because the chords are already low, and it just balances it, and it just sounds a lot nicer overall. So for the plugins of the chords and main melody, I used an app called Wider, which is free in the App Store. Then I also used a free app called DLYM. For some reason it's not working, but it's a really good plugin to have. In my opinion, one of the best free plugins. Apart from it not working sometimes. Then I used Tape Cassette, which is kind of like RC20 GarageBand version. Then I also used Wider and DLYM for the main melody. And then for the third instrument I used Dreamy Plucks, which created a little ambience. They kind of sound like bells, and then they also fill up the rest of the melody, which makes it like a lot more full, I guess. Alright, so here's the melody. Apart from reverb, I didn't really add any effects because it already sounded good the way it is. And then for the fourth stem in the melody, I used a sample that I got from the Apple Loop section. I just searched up Vox and then I just used this one. Alright, now that the melody's out of the way, we'll move on to the drums. Here it is.